Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Olmsted Academy South in Louisville, Kentucky, part of JCPS, Jefferson County Public School District. And such an honor to return for my second visit. I'm here in the auxiliary gymnasium where we had our programs today, where we had them last time I came to. Today I got to address all the grades, grades 6, 7, and 8. Grade 6, we did the same thing that I did last year, bullying, look at the heart first, introduce them to that topic. For grades 7 and 8, though, we took it up a level, and we focused on what you see on the back screen here, diversity and the need for human kindness, right? So like the shirt that I wear for this assembly says, need human kindness. The peace sign is inside the heart where peace has to begin. There's also two people in the heart because kindness isn't just about giving kindness to yourself or treating yourself kindly, but we have to go and share that with others, right? We have to go shine our light, which they talk about here every day at Olmsted Academy South, which is awesome to already be thinking about how we can spread that peace, spread that kindness, and really show this world more unconditional love, right? Love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider, thinner, different skin color, different clothes, eats different foods, speaks different languages, different skin color, disabled or not, whatever it is that we might look as a way that we're separate from that person, we can look at it in a way that might actually unify us, right? That we kind of build on that first theme that I speak on, looking at someone's heart before anything else, treating someone the same way that you treat your best friend. And then we go out and start to really truly live this, right? Each and every day. And the students really got that, through a series of inspirational videos, some more positive, upbeat music, some picture slides, powerful stories. We were able to really kind of hammer home some of these heartfelt lessons, and they really took that to heart. There were some tears, some students that shared their hearts with me afterwards, said something really tugged at their heart chords, and that's always beautiful. Tears are strength, or the sweat of our strength, the start of healing and feeling again. And if we can turn that pain that we're feeling or experiencing, hurt people who hurt people, into healed people who heal people, then we're on the right path to start to make this world, our school community, the city that we live in, our neighborhoods, our families, a safer place and a more welcoming place. And so just, again, so honored to be able to share this type of energy with the students here, and this whole new, understanding of what diversity truly means. That it is our differences, and it could be on the outside, how we walk, how we talk, how we're born, how we see, how we hear, how we learn. But it's more than that, it's what's on the inside too. It's our talents, it's our gifts, it's our abilities, and we need to be able to honor what's on the outside of someone and what's on the inside. And it's so important that we keep showing these little acts of kindness, right? Because they take very little effort sometimes, but they can have a huge, huge impact, right? They might even potentially save a life, right? We talked about the importance of that, and that we have that capability as human beings, to be able to know that in just 2 seconds we can uplift or we can destroy through our words, through our actions. And hoping that the students and many of the staff really took that to heart today and are going to take that home and start to apply it in their everyday life. Because when you think about this, if I say something kind, if I do something kind, it may not just be to the person that I do it to. It could be anybody that's in earshot or eyesight that hears that kind word, that sees that kind of action. It might affect their heart in a positive way as well. And Gandhi's talked about being the change we want to see for this world. It's not just being the change, it's that we must be the change, right? The actual quote deals with those two words, that if we want more kindness right here at our school, amongst our peers, our friends, our family, our teachers, coaches, etc., then we need to be that change, then we need to be that kindness that we want to see more of, right? And Dr. King has also said the time is always right to do what's right. And what is right as we approach MLK Day here in January, kicking off the new year, is to make sure that we show compassion to everybody around us, treat everybody like you treat your own best friend, seeing them for their heart first, as big as our fist. And if we can let that love, peace, compassion, and kindness into here, we can turn that into this. So again, just beautiful morning and afternoon with all the grades, all the students, all the teachers, getting to share my heart and knowing that small piece, touched part of theirs, and that we can keep growing together. I hope to return again in the future, but until then, have a great rest of the school year. and keep shining your bright, bright light amongst each other. Keep sharing your hearts. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.